Y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's go fishing. Y'all know what I'm about to do up in here, right? Yep. There he is. Oh, he's a hog. Get on there. Get on there. Y'all knew I was gonna do it. Y'all knew I was gonna do it back here. Yeah, come on in here. Come on in here. Yeah. We'll grab the line for that one, because we know you were hooked good. Yep, y'all knew what I was gonna do back here. That's what. All right. Y'all knew it was coming. Y'all knew it was coming. Prime territory for worming. That's a nice, about another 2.5 pounder right there. We'll get them back in the water. We don't want you to be a casualty. All right. There you go. Folks, anytime I see an area like this, I don't care how shallow it may be, I'm gonna give it a shot. That bass, when I hooked it, it was in about 3.5 foot of water. So you see these areas, give them a shot. Let's go for another one. Let's see if another one's in there. Oh, he was running off with this one. Come here. Ah, yeah. Easy boat flip. Open up wide. Okay, you're free. Hey, you're free. You're free. All right, a nice feisty little spot in the shallows. That one's about 3 feet of water. We all kind of running shallow today, so we'll keep at it. All right. Oh yeah. Ooh, he's a nice one. Jump, baby. Jump. Jump for it. Come on. There we go. All right. We'll get us another one. I thought he swallowed it deep, but I thought the hook was deep, but we managed to get it out, and he'll live to see another day. Let's get him back in there. There's another shallow one. Yes. We'll flip them just like all the rest. These are all good fish. These are all good fish. All good fish. All right, another shallow water bass. Putting in a little work today. All right, let's get you back in the water. Folks, I will tell you this, when you're fishing shallow water with a worm, young dinger, Cinco, whatever you're using, it's not necessary to use a weight. I know I use Texas rig all the time, but when I'm Texas rigging, I'm using a pretty light weight. So this rig right now would be much deadlier if it was fully weightless. Rig it weightless, especially when you're fishing shallow water.